Hello children, good morning. Hope you all are doing well at your home. So children, we are studying chapter 5 in geography, realms of the earth. So let us continue with the same chapter. In this chapter, in previous class, I have discussed about the components of the earth. Let us revise once again. So children, there are three main components of the earth which makes life possible. They are water, air and soil. Life exists only where these three components interact with each other. The Earth system consists of four major subsystems. They are known as domains or realms of the Earth. They are lithosphere, that is related to land, hydrosphere, which includes water bodies, all the water bodies on our planet, atmosphere related with the air, biosphere, it is the layer, the parts of the earth where life is found. So children, we also live on this layer. Children, today I am going to discuss about layers of the Earth's atmosphere. So there are five main layers. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. And first one is troposphere. It is very nearest to our Earth. It is lowest layer of the atmosphere. It extends up to 7 km above the poles and 17 km above the equator. It contains nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, which are life-sustaining gases. It is also called as warmest layer. Why? Because it is closest to the Earth's surface, which I have already told you, and it receives the heat reflected by it. The temperature in this layer decreases with the increase in altitude. Clouds also form in this layer, and when they condense, they bring rainfall or snowfall on the Earth. So children, the next layer is stratosphere. The layer above the troposphere is stratosphere. In this layer, temperature increases with the increase in altitude. So there are no weather activities in this layer. So that is why aeroplanes can fly in this layer without any obstruction. And children, you can see ozone layer also found in this layer. And what is ozone layer? This is the layer which protects our earth from ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays are very harmful for our earth. So it is directly coming from the sun, so it protects the earth. But children, in the recent years, the thickness of this layer has been decreasing. Why? Because of the main reason is environmental pollution. Chemical compounds like chlorofluorocarbons found in air and the refrigerators are also destroying the ozone layer. Above the stratosphere lies the mesosphere, which extends from 50 km to 85 km above our planet. The temperature decreases with the increase in altitude in the mesosphere, with the minimum temperature dropping down to minus 85 degrees Celsius. So children, that is why it is also called as coldest layer. And this leads to formation of ice clouds called noctilucent clouds. What are noctilucent clouds? These are a luminous kind of cloud which can occasionally be seen at night during summers. The next layer is thermosphere. As the name said, it is the hottest layer. It is the layer of the Earth's atmosphere lies directly above the mesosphere and directly below the exosphere. And the temperature increases with the height in the thermosphere with the maximum temperature reaching about 1500 degrees Celsius. The International Space Station orbits in this layer also found. In this layer, one more thing, a beautiful natural phenomena of lights occurs in the sky which is called aurora. And the next one is exosphere. It is the uppermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere. It is mainly composed of hydrogen and helium. It extends into the limitless space where the Earth's gravity does not operate. So these are the layers of the atmosphere. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.